Hello guys, this is an open challenge invitation to all the YouTubers out there. If you love and admire recycled home decor items, then this challenge is surely for you. Jessica from Measure and Mix and me, Sikha M, is hosting this collaboration video and is inviting you to join this open challenge. You have to make a home decor item using recycled things. It can be glass, it can be paper, plastic, or even cardboard. Now, wood projects are not invited in this challenge. There are endless things that you can make out of these. You can make paper flowers, you can color a vase and make it a decorative piece. You can make storage boxes and many other things can be made out of it. The rules are very simple. Title the video as Recycled DIY Home Decor Challenge and then mention the names Jessica and Sikha M in your videos. Mention the links of these two YouTubers in your description box. The upload date will be 9th of August. We will prepare a playlist where you can add your videos. So if you make the video beforehand, keep it private and just make it public on 9th of August. So there will be a fortnight. You will get 15 days time to think and make your video. I have already many ideas creeping in my mind and I know it's the case with you too guys. So let's join the challenge and let's have fun together. Watching the playlists will be a great fun. It will increase your watch time and you will be connected to like-minded YouTubers. So why wait? Come and join us and let's have fun. I cannot wait to see all your videos. Until then, bye. See you in my next video.